Oh, okay, my friends. So let's take a look at the actual my COCC webpage. You're going to launch off of this to get to everything you need for the course. So it's the same address I showed you in that previous video. You got some information up here. There's my office up in Grandview Hall. My email, again, that's the way to get in touch with me most often. I don't know why the office hours still aren't here. I don't know how long it takes the program that I entered them in to actually post, but here we are. They are going to be, just so you know, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from 3 to 4 p.m. Monday and Wednesday are going to be in person in Grandview because school asked me to do that. And Tuesday is going to be via Zoom. It's the same email that you, or the same login information that I mentioned in that last video about how to get onto Zoom meetings. Actually, did I mention that? I may not have mentioned how to get onto Zoom meetings. In case I didn't, here's how you get onto Zoom meetings. Apologies. I know this is an online course, so you might never have to use that, but in case you do, that's the login information. Okay, so down here are the courses, and I've got 4 different courses, 3 different course numbers, and then 2 ways of delivering your course, Math 105. But you're the online section, so you only have to pay attention to this this column right here. Let's take a look at the schedule link first. I figure we'll look at the schedule link, then we'll go back and look at the syllabus link quickly, and then we'll talk about Blackboard. And I'm going to try to keep these videos kind of quick today. So schedule link first. All right, so when you click over to here, I've got the course set up in such a way so that it's scheduled each week. Now, first of all, welcome to the 1990s, because that's what you're looking at, right? I mean, I learned how to web code in, I think, 93, and I stopped in 94, and you can tell everything looks like the 90s here. So everything is set up week 1, week 2, all the way through, in this case, week 12. The red stuff near the top of each week is just administrative type stuff. You've got tutoring information. Definitely download Microsoft Office. It's free, and we're going to learn how to use Excel in here. I know if you had me in Math 98, we learned how to use Sheets, and Excel is extraordinarily similar. It's just got a little more functionality in some places. After that, you've got a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I've kind of laid out the week to aid you in fighting off procrastination. I think online, a lot of students find it really easy to procrastinate, because, especially asynchronous type stuff like this, because it's so easy to let things snowball. For example, things are going to be due in here on Fridays, and it's going to be really easy for you to just wait till Thursday night to try to do stuff. Well, the problem with that is that might be a huge snowball of work that you actually can't get to in one night. So I've got a suggested kind of schedule here. So on Monday, let's just take a look at Monday here. I give you a little list of things to do on each day. So you'll notice that I've got, and each day is going to look like this. There's going to be a topic listed, and then there's going to be videos for that topic, and then an optional homework after the videos. And that's the way every day, Monday and Wednesday, is going to look. You can look at Wednesday of this week, exactly the same thing. Monday of the following week, and Wednesday, so forth and so on. Each one is going to have a playlist of videos followed by an optional homework, and we'll talk more about the optional homework when we get to the assessment page. That's the online nature of the course, the asynchronous online nature of the course. It's kind of self-paced. You pretty much get as far ahead as you want. Everything's already linked except for exams. So that's one component of the course. What makes it a little more than online is what I've scheduled for Tuesday and Thursday. Now, on the previous page, we talked about the office hours I'm going to have, which are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in the afternoon. I'm also going to have 2 Math 105 specific office hours from 8 to 8:45 a.m. using the same Zoom credentials that I talked about in the video. And I've got this just for Math 105. My office hours, anybody can come to. Any of my classes, my advisees, anybody at all. But these, I'm hiding these back here on the schedule page, so only my Math 105 folks know about them. So you can drop in from 8 to 8. I kept them from 8 to 8:45 because for some reason, and I don't know why this is, my class is listed as remote on the schedule page for the school, which is, it's not, it's online. So anyway, I decided to keep those times, at least part of those times. Okay, so that's pretty much how each week is going to go. If you scroll down, now the other weeks, like week 2, I've got off for Tuesday and Thursday. It doesn't say it doesn't repeat the office hours things, because I think you'll get used to those customized 105 hours. Fridays, that's when things are due. And please check the time, no later than 10 a.m. So whether it's a quiz, whether it's a project, whether it's the optional homework, or whether it's exams, those things are going to be due Fridays no later than 10 a.m. And we're going to talk more about that and each of those things, the quizzes, that thing called a mandatory tech assessment, and so forth. And so we'll chat about all of those in the next video when we explore the syllabus. But that pretty much is how the schedule page. You're going to spend most of the time in this class on this page. This is kind of like your book. You might remember there's no textbook for the course. That's intentional. I don't want there to be a textbook for this course. You get charged way too much money. Here's all the material for the course right here. It's, you know, partially videos, partially assessments, and partially other stuff. But this is basically the sum of the information we're going to be kind of getting through in the course. Okay, in the next video, let's get into the rest of the syllabus so you can see what all these assessments are.